Fidgets. Time to steal.
I want some fidgets. Sure, what do you want? We have a lot of fidgets. All your fidgets.
I want all your poppets.
This is all my poppets. Do you want anything else?
I want that mini poppets.
Those are our small fidgets. Okay, also do you want the box too?
Okay, sure.
Okay, let me get the small fidgets. There it is. Okay, now let me give you the box. There's your box. And now let me get something.
Start.
Okay, I am back. And where are all the fidgets? That guy stole it. Ah, I need to call Supergirl. The alarm! I stole something. Let's go. Let's go. I'm here. Rainbow Sparkles, you're here. A man stole all of my fidgets without asking. He went that way. I get him. I'll get you. I got you. Supergirl, you got him. I got your fidgets back. Thank you, Supergirl. My fidgets. Auntie, you got all my fidgets back. Thank you.
Like and subscribe. Remember not to steal.
And thank you for watching.